I'm about to go in and get a haircut. This is what my hair looks like. Jesus. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll see. Okay, so I just came out and I love it. I always like asking for a dry cut. So what she'll do is she'll wash my hair, dry it, and then she straightens it, and then she shows me like what it looks like and what she recommends. And then I usually go with what she recommends, and this time she recommended quite a few inches, maybe 3-4, because my hair was really long. And so I asked to keep like a straight layer at the bottom. I just always like keeping that one straight layer at the bottom, and then I just asked for a little bit of face framing layers. So you can see, nothing too crazy, but yeah. Whole Foods now, and I'll take a little video of what I get.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.
Nice taco salad from Veggie Grill. I went to Whole Foods today and I wanted to show you of the items that are my favorite and that I always gravitate towards, and or at Fraser Farms, Sprouts, or Trader Joe's, just depending what grocery store you have where you're from. I'm going to start off with the Pasture Vital Farms eggs. I love these eggs. I can definitely taste the difference, and you simply get what you pay for, in my opinion. I do breakfast tacos or like regular ones. I sometimes use these, but typically I like to have these like with egg breakfast tacos. I absolutely love them, and they have good ingredients. I used to drink the Almond Breeze almond milk, and personally I started looking into ingredients of the items that I buy, and if I could gravitate and buy the better item, why not? And it's the milk. I found 3, but this is one of my top 3. So yeah, next time you go, maybe you could check them out and let me know if you like them. Hi you guys, so my hair looks a little frizzy now even though I got it done today, but it started raining. So anyway, thank you for watching my video all the way through. The last clip that I shared was one of my recipes. It was my lemon chicken rosemary recipe. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you try it. I'm going to try to share a recipe in each video that I can. So today's mini vlog was pretty much a day in my life. On my day off, I got a haircut, I went to Whole Foods, I ran a few errands, and then picked up some dinner, and then I shared my recipe. So if you watched my last video, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited that I finally have the courage to pursue this goal of mine that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. So if you're supporting, thank you so much. Even just like it reaching one person makes me so happy, so thank you. What else? Oh, I wanted to start this new thing. I had this idea, so I really enjoy reading, and I'm getting back into it, and I want to share something from the book that I'm reading currently, or whenever I'm reading it, whatever book it is. I want to share a quote. So today's is going to be, just a second. If something ignites you, chase it. Chase it because you don't want to look back in 2 years or 5 years or 20 years and wonder what would have been. Chase it because you don't want to think back to all of the potential and all of the beauty you missed out on because you were afraid, or because you let an idea of yourself that was untrue rob you of your joy or your capacity to move confidently in the direction of the things that inspired you. Chase it because you can, because you deserve to experience what is profound and remarkable in this world, because you are worthy of the things that make your chest tighten with the happiness and wonder. Chase it because you never know what is waiting for you on the other side of your comfort. You never know what is waiting for you on the other side of hope. So I hope that helps someone, or you like it. I really liked it from the current book that I'm reading, so I wanted to share. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions for any videos in the future, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.